My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Vauxhall Corsa. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, and driving functions, as well as vehicle settings. Just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.